Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something incredibly comforting, creamy butter beans. As always, the full ingredients list is at the end of the video. We're going to start by sauteing our diced onions. You want to keep them moving until they just start to turn golden brown. Once the onions are ready, we're adding in our vegetable broth or water. Next, our butter beans. Now for a quick tip. I like to crush a few of the beans against the side of the pan. This releases their natural starch and really helps to thicken up the sauce. Now it's time for dry ingredients. We're adding garlic powder, crushed chilies for a bit of a kick, and some smoked paprika. We're going to add in our baby spinach. If you want an extra layer of flavor, add a pinch of mustard seed. A plant-based cheese or nutritional yeast. If you find you need it even thicker, you can stir in a little cornstarch at this stage. Just let it simmer for a few minutes until everything is ready to serve. By the way, if you want to see my recipe for hash browns, please let me know in the comments below. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you like the video, you might also enjoy my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. The ingredients list is coming up next. Feel free to pause here to take a screenshot. See you in the next video.